Welcome to physics class. Students, today we will do some very important questions of chapter electricity, especially the numericals. Question 1. A net charge of 4 coulomb flows through a circuit in 5 seconds. Calculate the magnitude of current flowing in the circuit. Charge Q 4 coulombs, time T 5 seconds, current I we have to calculate. We know that I equal to Q upon T. Let us fill the value 4 upon 5. When we solve this, it will become 0.8 current. That's why unit must be ampere. Second question. Calculate the work done in moving a charge of 5 coulomb from a potential of 140 volt to the potential of 250 volt. Potential difference V we have to calculate 250 minus 140. It will be 110 volt. Charge Q is given, that is 5 coulomb. Work done W we have to calculate. We know V equal to W upon Q. So we have to calculate W here. W will be V into Q. Let us fill the value 110 into 5. It will be 550. We have calculated work done, so units must be joules. Question 3. What will be the current drawn by an electric lamp of 40 watt when it is connected to 220 volt? Power 40 watt, potential difference V to 20 volt. Current we have to find out. As we know, P equal to VI. I can be calculated as P upon V. P is 40 and potential difference is 220. It is 2 upon 11. When we solve this, it will be approximate 0.18 ampere. Question 4. A current of 0.5 ampere flows through a resistance of 20 ohm for 30 minutes. Find the electrical energy spent. Current 0.5 ampere, resistance 20 ohm, time 30 minutes. We have to convert it into seconds. 30 multiply 60 in turn, which will become 1800 seconds, equal to I square RT. Let's fill the value. I 0.5 square R 20 multiply T, that is 1800. When we solve this, we'll get 9000 joules. Question 5. An electric heater takes a current of 10 ampere at 220 volt. What is the power and energy consumed? Potential difference 220 volt, current 10 ampere. We have to calculate power. As we know, P equal to VI. V 220, I 10, so it is 5200 watt. It can be written as 2.2 kilowatt. Second part, we have to calculate energy, electrical energy consumed. E equal to P into T. P is 2.2 time 1 hour. So it is 2.2 kilowatt hour. Question 6. For a heater rated at 4 kilowatt and 220 volt, calculate A part current, B part resistance of heater, C part energy consumed in 2 hours, D part cost If 1 kilowatt hour is priced at rupees 1, power 4 kilowatt, potential difference to 20 volt. A part we have to calculate current. I equal to P upon V. 4 kilowatt means 4000 watt upon 220. When we solve this, it will be 18.2 ampere. Second part, resistance. R V upon I. 220, current is 18.2. When we remove this decimal, it will become 2200 upon 182. When we solve this, it is 12.1 ohm. C part, we have to calculate energy consumed in 2 hours, means time is 2 hours, equal to VIT. V is 220, current is 18.2, time is 2 hours. When we solve this, it will become 8000 watt hour and in turn 8 kilowatt hour. Then we have to calculate cost. The cost if 1 kilowatt hour is priced at rupees 1. So energy consumed 8 multiply cost of 1 unit, that is 1, means answer will be rupees 8. Thanks for watching.